Oasis TV, the network in service to humanity.
Without peace, there will be no future for humanity, because now we can destroy the world and all life, human and subhuman alike. So how do we get peace? That is the essential. How do we establish peace? Well, certainly not but using the methods of the American and the British governments in recent times, when they attack one country after another and are planning to attack more countries. That is certainly not going to give peace to the world. It will not even end terrorism in the world. There will never be an end of terrorism in the world until the world itself is changed. It is a profound glamour on the part of the American government to imagine it can stamp out terrorism in the world by attacking one country after another, and so establish peace until the only country left is America, and maybe Britain as a friend of America, and Japan if it's a friend of America. Only one thing will create peace in the world and the end of terrorism in the world. That is the creation of a just world. If there is no justice, there will never, ever be peace in the world. And if there is no justice, there is no hope for any of us, because all will die. Everybody in the world will die unless we establish justice in the world. And there is only one way to establish justice in the world, and that is to share the resources of the world more equitably around the world. It's so simple, and yet we all refrain from doing it. Without sharing, there will never be justice. Without justice, there will never be peace. Without peace, there is no future for us. So what do we have to do? The developed nations of the world have to realize that what they make, what they create, what they import belongs to everybody, is given by divine providence for all the people of the world, not just for the developed nations who have the money to buy it. And they have the money to buy it because they are more advanced technologically, they're more advanced in industry perhaps, but they do not give value to the resources and the activities of the people of the third world. It's cavalier, it's dishonest, it's greedy, and it's selfish, and it has to change.